Hello friends, and today we are going to create these tricky shapes. And let's start with this thing, spiral 1 dimensions, 5 centimeters high, 4 centimeters width. Very hard to make this one, but there is one step which can make it not so hard. So first of all, you need to create a circle. And inside this circle, I'm going to create another circle, but tangent, to create a big one over here like that. Yeah, finish it in center, and then I'm going to create the smaller one over here, this I guess. So I think I will do a Shift D, position it here. Let me just make it for 100%. I need it here. Yeah, V. Yep, and just drop it here. And now I can take this thing, it's two of them, GV, put it here, okay, and move it here. Good. So here I have this strange shape which reminds me about alien circles on the fields. Always create folders, because if you don't create folders, it will cause that you will have mess, and mess is bad for your health. And you need to stay healthy and create cool shapes with me. Or alone. You can create cool shapes whenever you want. So let's see this thing. So now we have the circle and this thing, but it's much thinner here. Yep, we need to have it more kind of like tangent. Let's try it. Let's take this one, let's press this, and let's try to get it going somewhere. Let's try it like this. I have another tangent circle here. Let's try to make it like that. And just move it over, I guess, here on the straight line. Yeah, it reminds something about golden ratio to me. And let's do it like this. Good. Thing is just a little bit wider. Let's make it more. So yeah, let's try to make it like this. Let's drop it here, then we can position it to the center. And yep, I guess something over here is going to be good. We can make it larger a little bit later. Now create this ellipse shape. Let's make it like this. Yep. And let's drop the top level down, because we have this thin part and it's not thin. Something like this should work. Extrude this one over here. This thing, move it away for now. Just select this and try to move it here. Yeah, I definitely can move it here. Okay, let's try to do this thing. And let's do like over here. Let's try it. Okay, I'll click here and I will move it somewhere. Let's see it. Let's try it here. Shift D over here. And let's just create the same thing like this. Is take this, make this smaller like that, and do the tangent here to this place. Yep. And the same here over here. Good. maybe I just need to delete this guy. Take this and just drop it like this. Yep. And I don't need this part. Shift C and cut it. Boom. Good. X and X. Let's just take it again. I think, yeah, something like... Oh. Something like this should be happened. And maybe this. Let's try it. Let's see. Okay. What's going on here? Some weirdness. Can I just... Yeah, I can do this and it will be okay. Good. Let's do more. Like here, I also want to add a little bit of roundness. Oh my god. It's too much like this. Yeah, I guess all good. Let's try to cut it through. And we will finish with that bad boy. Yep, like this. Let's try it. Q and delete it. Yeah, that's much better. Maybe a little bit to the left. Good, but yeah. Kick it off. Here is a little thing that is just fixing like that. I think I can add even more here, like this. And let's do one more here. Like this. Okay. This is that. Another one cursed shape. Okay, you can play with this shape definitely however you want. I will leave it as is. I like how it looked. I will just add some bevels here. Can do it on G2. Okay. Try to model something else or try to repeat this one, and I hope you will get the better result than mine, but here's the steps in which you can try to replicate this strange, weird shape. Have a great day, and I see you in the next one. Bye!